Hey guys, it's Mary and welcome back to Study Journey. I'm back with another AMC Problem of the Week video, and this video is mainly focused on probability and casework to solve the problem. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is AMC 12B Problem 11 from fall of 2021. Una rolls 6 standard 6-sided dice simultaneously and calculates the product of the 6 numbers obtained. What is the probability that the product is divisible by 4? Here are your answer choices. So, keywords are that these are six-sided dices, and then they're rolled simultaneously, and the product is calculated. So what is the probability that the product is divisible by 4? So we're going to use complementary counting to find the probability that the product is not divisible by 4. And then after this, we can subtract that probability from 1, and then we can get the probability that it is divisible by 4. So separating this into 2 cases. The first case is that the product is not divisible by 2. And then the second case is that the product is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 4. So if the product can't be divisible by 2, then that means it has to all be odd, because any even number is divisible by 2. The probability of a number being odd is 1/2, because it can only be odd or even. The probability that it would be all odd would be 1/2 to the 6th power, because there are 6 numbers and they're all odd. So there's 1/2% chance that one thing is going to be odd, and then the same for all the other 6. So this has 50% chance that it is odd, and so is this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one. So 1/2 to the 6th power would be the probability. And this simplifies to 1/64. Now, looking at if it is divisible by 2 but not by 4, that means we need 5 numbers to be odd and 1 is to be divisible by 2 and not by 4. Why is this? Because if there are multiple numbers that are even, then that means there are going to be multiple numbers that are divisible by 2. So for example, if the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, even if the 2 even numbers are 2 and 2, there will be 2 numbers that are divisible by 2, and therefore it will be divisible by 4. So the only choice is if there are 5 odd numbers. And then the last number has to be divisible by 2 but not by 4. So the probability that there are 5 numbers that are odd is going to be 1/2 to the 5th power. And then the probability that you will get a number that is divisible by 2 but not by 4 out of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, a standard 6-sided dice, that the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then the even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. 4 is divisible by 4, so that doesn't count. And 2 and 6 are not. So the probability that you will get 2 and 6 will be 2 out of 6, or 1/3. And then since there are 6 ways to choose the order in which an even number appears, then you have to multiply it by 6. And then we simplify it and we get 1/16. These 2 are the probabilities that the product is not divisible by 4. So to find the probability that the product is divisible by 4, we just subtract these 2 from 1. So we simplify, and then that gets us 59/64. So looking at our answers, we can see that the answer will be C, 59/64.